Okay, how do you sign angry? Angry. So here's the sign, anger or angry. My fingers start off and curl up as they come up and out. Okay, sideways view for you, okay? Anger or angry, okay? But one of the beautiful things about American Sign Language is the importance of your face, your voice, eyebrows, the way your body leans. So let's show you 3 different definitions of anger or angry. Okay, here's the first one. What kind of anger was that? That's more like I'm disappointed in you. Okay, hey, you know what? That wasn't cool. Okay, hey, anger, angry, that level. Let's try the next one. I am angry. Okay, it pulls up and out. Okay, but you see the this. Hey, what's going on? Why did you do that? I am angry. Angry. Okay. How about a much more intense level of anger? Here we go. Did you hear that in the voice and the intensity of the sign and the distance of the sign? I've seen a lot of YouTube instructors that will say the bigger the sign, the bigger the emotion, and that's not always true. Okay, it depends on the individual and how they sign. Let me give you an example, okay? Let's go to that third one of really angry, okay? I could sign this, right? The face, this, right? And the distance, that person's really angry, okay? What about this person? See how it was much tighter, but still it's the intensity, it's the abruptness of the sign that shows you that person is really, really angry. In this video, we're going to teach you the signs for a variety of emotions. Okay, going to give you some practice sentences. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a sign that can be both a positive emotion as well as a negative emotion. It's one of my favorite ASL cultural icon signs. As you get into the deaf community, as you continue to learn how to sign, you're going to see this sign. So stay tuned until the end. So let's teach you some more signs for emotions. Okay, now what's fun about this lesson is we're going to combine the signs for some emotions, right? Both positive and negative. But at the same time, we'll do some practice sentences, but I think you're going to really get a sense of it in this video. How important, okay, body movement, voice, face, okay, is quite frankly in so many signs more than half the sign. Let's get you to understand that, right? Here's the first one. We did anger already, okay, so we had anger, angry. Remember, those fingers curl as they come up and out. I'm right-handed. Angry, angry. How about this one? Sad, sad. 5 hands, thumb outstretched, somewhat curled, okay, sad, sad, okay. This is not sad. See that? It's not sad. This is sad, okay. How about a different level of sadness? Oh. See that? Okay. For most hearing people, that's one of your biggest challenges in becoming a great signer, a great interpreter, and that's your ability to emote. Okay, you're going to feel uncomfortable, all right? Okay, get there. It's part of ASL. Okay, anger, sad. How about mad? Mad. Okay, we had sad this way. Mad, one hand pulls off the face. Now remember, we've taught this principle before. Signs don't start here. See how I'm off to the side, and this one immediately pulls off. Mad. Mad. Now, how mad is that person? Okay, oh, come on. Right? Nonchalant, not that mad. Okay? Way mad. All right? Let's have some fun now. Let's move from sad to some happy signs. Happy, happy, happy. Fingers together, thumb outstretched, up the chest. Okay? Happy, happy. Excited. Middle fingers like this. Okay? Excited. Multiple times, rotating up. Okay? Not down. Okay? Boom, 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 up. Excited. excited. Now here's a favorite sign of mine. Thrilled. Thrilled. See how we're staying here, body-wise? Happy, excited, here's thrilled. Up and out. Thrilled. Okay, thrilled is more than excited. Man, I am thrilled. See the body? Thrilled. Leans forward. Right? Okay, if I sign this, that's not thrilled. That's the wrong sign altogether. Okay? Thrilled. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I am thrilled. Thrilled. Okay? Make sure the face and the body matches the sign and the intensity of the emotion you're trying to communicate. Okay, how about mean? Had a subscriber ask for this sign. Mean. Mean. Index finger down in hand comes off. Not have to really touch the nose, but it's right here. And the two sets of knuckles pass. Mean. Mean. Hey. Okay, I'm talking to a third person over here. Hey, I'm getting their attention. That's universal. Okay, you're being mean to your little brother. Enough. Okay, you've been mean to your little brother. That's it. Enough of it already. Okay, stop. All right, mean. Mean. How about to scream or to yell? Okay, scream. There's that curved hand again. All right, those curved fingers, it's not this, right? Curve it. Imagine you're pulling that out of your voice, out of your throat. Scream, okay? To scream, right? How about jealous? Jealous. I'm gonna take my pinky hand. This is the sign, this is a J, okay? Jealous, jealous, all right? It comes out the mouth right here, jealous, okay? Now, let's think about some emotions and some sentence structure here, okay? Oh, man, I'm not that jealous, okay? It's an expression. Hey, wow, cool, a new dress, a new car, whatever. Oh, man, I am jealous, okay? Jealous. What about this kind of jealous? I am, right? This, I am jealous of that person, their promotion, their status, whatever, okay? This indicates in the abruptness of it, right? The level of jealousness, okay? How about this one? It's kind of an interesting word, a grumble, okay? You ever heard of the word grumble before? Disgust. See that hand like that? Okay. I am fed up, jealous, okay, grumble, okay, not happy about it. And it's a derivative of this next sign. Let's show you this one. To complain, okay. C hand like this, complain. Now this is the sign, to complain, okay. Now, what if a person was going to lodge a complaint? They've been discriminated in the workforce, something big happened at work, okay, they're filing a formal grievance. I will, a complaint. See that? Could you almost see the indentions in my chest? Okay, this isn't complaining, okay, right? This complaining is, let me give you an example. Family's driving 13 hours to Disneyland. And driving, right? It's hot in the car, it's sweating in the car. People have to stop and use the facilities, get something to drink. And the kids in the back are saying, are we almost there yet? Mom or dad might say, complain. Enough of that already, complaining. Okay, come on, knock it off. We're gonna have a good time in Disneyland. Complain, enough. Do you see the difference? So, back to what I said earlier. Sometimes it's not always the size of the sign. It is the power, the directness, the intensity, and the body of the sign that tells you the degree. So let's do that complaint again. I'm filing a formal grievance. you catch that? This is a complaint. It's not this. See how my shoulders automatically went down? It's not that. It is a complaint. Okay? Complaint, right? A grievance. All right, let's have some fun. Let's move over to the other side of the emotional register. How about enthusiasm? What am I doing? Catch the shoulders. Do you see what happened there? Okay? Enthusiasm, man. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. I'm motivated. Okay? Enthusiasm. How about wonder? Index fingers out. These rotate. Remember, not here in front of the face. Wonder. I wonder. Contemplating, wonder, thinking about. Okay? That's what wonder is. Wonder. Wonder. Okay? One of the favorites here? Love. 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 Okay? We've talked about this in previous videos. This, maybe it's just me, but this has almost become not that big a deal to me. I love you. Okay? Oh, I love you all. Okay? Hey, I love the group. Okay? And even my little grandkids, we'll teach them to use their little fingers and hands to go, I love you. But Grandpa, when he wants to make sure we're emotionally connecting, we'll sign this. Right? It's that hug. It's that grandparent, give me the grandchild. I want you to know I love you for being you. Sorry, that kind of comes out as a grandparent, right? Love. Love. Oh, love. Whoa, man. I hope I don't sign that to a grandchild. That's not the intensity of love you're trying to communicate. Okay? So let's look at that range, right? Oh. Kind of, sort of. Hope you're not going to the jewelry store and getting a ring with this kind of love. Okay? Just like this big hug you might get from a grandparent. All right? How about kind? Kind. 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 You know, for those of you in the Christian faith, grace. Okay? But kind. Okay? Kind. All right? Oh, man. Looking back. Okay? You've seen the word to see. This is to look back, a memory. Okay? Looking back. That teacher, oh, kind. Now, there was another example, right? It wasn't a big sign, because that doesn't really fit kindness, does it? Okay? And this is kind. What about this kind of kindness? Oh, that. See the face? Shoulders up. The sign actually slowed down, didn't it? Okay? Oh, they were so kind. Okay, because kind is soft and deep and emotional. Okay, that's what kindness is. It's one of the reasons why I love my native language, American Sign Language, so much. Now, I promised you some sentences along the way. We've given you some. Okay, let's talk about that cultural icon sign. Okay, one of my favorites. Okay, this sign can be both a negative as well as a positive. As you get into the ASL community, you're going to see it a lot. All right, hang in there, you'll get it and get its use because it migrates so quickly. It is a sign finish. Finish. Okay, see how that hand is curved and it snaps out. Okay, let's talk about teasing. To tease. To tease. All right, if somebody is teasing me and secretly I like it, but I'm going to fight against it a little bit, finish. Tease, 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 finish. I kind of like it, but I'm still going to say it anyway. Hey, stop teasing me. Did you catch that? Tease, finish. Now, how does this jump over to the other side? Tease, finish. See the directness and again the tightness of the sign. I could sign, hey, finish. Right? It's personal choice. But this sign, finish. And this sign, that could mean the exact same thing based on the person's choice, personality, how they sign, right? Some people don't get angry. Well, let me show you this. Okay, this is to blow your top. All right, an interesting sign for this, right? Imagine the old cartoons where, you know, somebody smoke coming out of their ears. Bam. Okay, I've lost my cool. I've blown my top, right? I can sign this. Bah! The sound of the hand, the movement of the body, all the way up and back, right? I can also sign this. Bah! Okay, it can mean the same. All right, finish. How about this? Oh. I'm enjoying this meal so much. Am I finished? I'm not. Okay. How about this one? Oh. The exact same signs. I've eaten and eaten and eaten, and I am so full. Oh, I am finished. Got that? All right. Hopefully you got some examples. Hey, if you're looking for a sign, I've had lots of subscribers in the comments and, hey, could you do a video about this, or whatever, all right? Send me a note, happy to do it. Would you do me a favor, please? Trying to get this word out, trying to grow the channel. Let your fellow students, your fellow family members, friends, work, whatever, trying to do a good job of helping you understand the nuances and the beauty of American Sign Language. Subscribe, let some folks know. Thanks.